Hey everybody, I'm gonna check out a puzzle today by Dani Dracogal. Hopefully that's right. Called Three's a Crowd. So rules are normal Sudoku rules. It's 1 to 9 in every column, row, and 3 by 3 box. Digits separated by an X, sum to 10, and separated by a V, sum to 5. Digits separated by a black dot are in a 1 to 2 ratio, and a white dot are consecutive. 3 may not orthogonally touch a consecutive digit, nor a digit with which it is in a 1 to 2 ratio. So, orthogonally is just next to it, shows an edge with it. For the purpose of the rules, diagonal does not count. Cardinal direction. Those are all orthogonal. So, this cannot be, or this cannot be, a 2, or a 4, or a 6. So it is a 1 or an 8. This is a 2 or a 4. Okay, so that'll be the same there. Uh, 1, 2, 4, 8, 4, 2. So that'll be like that. This will be an 8 or a 6. This will be a 1. This can't be a 3 though. This could be, but it could also be a 1, 4. So this will be a 6, 8, or 9. And this will be a 1, a 2, a 4, or an 8. If it's a 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 4 would work, 2, 4, 1 would work. Okay. Quite a few options still. Down that way. This will be oh, this and this are going to be the same number. Okay, so whatever this number is, these two will make it equal, or each of them will make it equal 10, so they must be the same. So this could not be a 6, it could not be an 8, as the 2 4s making a pair in this column. What numbers can it be then? It can be a 1. Be a 2. Can be a 4. Cannot be a 6. Cannot be a 7. Cannot be an 8. Cannot be a 9. That is a 1, 2, 4 only. And this would be a 9, 8, 6. 9, this will be a 1 or a 2 or a 4 or an 8. So this will be a 9, 8, 6, or 2. Alright then. These two are going to be the same as well. I think I know less about those at the moment. Do we have any combos as of yet? I don't believe so. This cannot be a 2 or a 4. It can be a 1, oh, it can't be a 6 either, 8 or 9. I think we do have a combo now. 9, 2, or 1. Alright, so we have 1, 8, 6, 9. 1, 6, 8, 9. Yeah, those are a quadruple. 1s and 8s can come out of here. That's going to give another 2-4 pair. And it's also going to take out the 9 and the 2 from there. It's going to take out something from here as well, the 9. 6, 1, 8, 9, no. Okay. So we have a 2-4 combo in both those. We're going to have a 2-4 down through here. It's going to take the 2 out of here and the 8 out of here. That's now a 1-9. We have a 6-8 as well. And this is going to be a what's left over? 5-7. We have a 2-4 combo this way now. Oh, no. Not necessarily. This is not the only options there. I have to be careful with that one. So this is not a 1, 9. This is a 6, 4, or a 2, 8. Do I have any? Oh, the 3 goes right here. Just from these 3s. And this can't be a 3 because the 7 can't be next to a dot. Yeah. So 3 goes up here. The 3 also well, the 3 cannot go here, cannot go here, and it cannot go here. The 3 must go in one of these. The 3 will go in one of these. The 3 cannot go here. guess it could go there. Could go in any of those as well. But it can also go in these or that one. Okay. Fair enough. Alright, so there... Oh, this cannot be a 9. Ah, now we have a 6-8. That couldn't be a 9 because this one couldn't be a 9. By the Y. So we have a 6-8 combo above now. Looking down. Making this a 1. And this a 2. And this a 4. It turns this 9-1 to resolve it. I thought of something else there, but then, neither one of these can be a 2 or a 4. It cannot be consecutive. I thought I'd seen something else, but now I forgot what I was looking at. This is a 2-4 pair now, though. Another question is, where can 5 go in this box? Up here. Actually, I guess a lot of numbers are going to be quite... maybe not. But 5, though, cannot go in any of those. 5 can't go in that one either. What about 9? 9 could go here. Could not go in the rest of them, though. Or what about 7? 7 cannot go in any of those. It could go here if it was next to an 8. Or it could go in the corner. A 1 cannot go here. It cannot go here. Because 9 can't go next to the black. A 1 cannot go here either. Same reason. This could be a 1. This could be a 1. 1, 2, 8. 4, 6. If this was a 1, that's the only route I would take. 1, 2, 8, 4, 6. It seems okay. Oh, wait, no it doesn't. Oh, yeah. That might be alright. Okay. Not sure about that one yet. If a 1 goes here, this is 2. Oh, 1 cannot go here. Because this would be 2. This would be 8. This would have to be 4. But then this cannot be a 1 or a 2. So a 1 does not go there either. A 1 does go on the bottom somewhere. And in the middle over there. So this cannot be a 2 now. Because this would have to be a 3. This could still be 1, 2, 8, 4, 6. This would be 7 or 9. But what about 2s? 2, 4, 6. That will not work. 2 cannot go there. 2 cannot go here. Cannot go here. 2, 8, 4. That would have to be 5. That would have to be the 3. 6. Oh, that would not work. 2 cannot go there. 2, 8 would go there. 4 would go there. 5 would have to go there. 6 would have to go there. That will not work either. Two cannot go down here because it would have to be next to a 3. 2 does go in one of those 2. It's looking a lot like this one, isn't it? This would be 4, this would be 5, this would be 3, this would be 1. Or wait, this couldn't be 4, could it? 4, 2, 8, no it could not. And this cannot be, 4 cannot be on the bottom either. Four cannot be there either. Because then 6 would be next to a black dot. And then it would be sitting next to a 3, which is against the rules. If this was a 4, that cannot be a 4. So these two cannot be a 4. This one cannot be a 4 either. This one cannot be a 4. This one can be. But 4, I said, did not go on the bottom. So it is one of these two. Ah, this cannot... Oh wait, yeah, it can. This is looking more and more like 1, 2, 4... 1, 2, 8, 4, 6. Well, this is not 1, 9. A 4, 6 can't go here. It's not a 7, 3. It has to be an 8, 2. And since 8 can't go here because 4 can't go here, it would be 4, 8, 2, and then that would have to be a 1 or a 4. So this is 2, 8, and 8 can't go there. So this is 8. And this is 4 and 6. Oh, that is correct. Which does make this a 1. Whoops. Which makes that a 7 or 9. Fixes all that. This will be with a 5, 7, or 9 down there. Does give me the 6 down here. What is left in this one is a 5, 7, a 5, 7. Four goes on the bottom. Six goes on the bottom. 2 goes on the top here. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Missing 3 numbers. It'll be a 5 or a 7 in this row. A 5, 7, or 9 in this row. And a 5, 7, or 9 in this row. This one could not be a 4, because it will appear again down here. And we can take that out. 6, 4, 6, that would work. 6 does go in this column somewhere. A 1 also. And then likely with a 5 or 7. Maybe not. What else is missing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A 9. Not sure on that yet. This does not have a 4 in it, so it must be a 1, 2. Now this one cannot be a 1, 2, so it must have a 4 in it, but it could be with a 2 or an 8 still, however. But this now, it is not a 1-9. It's not a 2-8. It could be a 3-7 still, though, if it was in this order. Or a 4-6. A 4 goes in one of those two for sure. Oh, then that is a 4-6. This is not a 7-3. It is a 4-6. Okay. The 1-2 goes at the bottom over there as well on the right. We have we have Sudoku pointing the way. So this could be 1, 2, 3. Or 1, 4, 2. Or 1, 4. Oh, yeah, it would have to be. What if this was 2? 2, 4, 1. Or 2, 1, 4. So is that making this 1, 2, 4 then? This can't be 8. Because it would be 8, 4, 1. And then there would be no 2 down here. If this was 3, that would still work. This cannot be 4, because it would be 4, 2, 3, and there would be no 1. If this was 4, that would be okay. I think that's what we got as possibilities. Right. Eight is either here or here. This is 4, 2. This is 2, 1. 1 be in the middle. This would not be a 3. That seems okay. Okay-ish. What are these possibilities? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cannot be. 9 could be. 1, 6, 9. So this is 9, 4, 1. And this is 1, 6, 9. Oh, it's not 1 though. So it's only 6 or 9. Therefore, this one is only 6 or 9. They will be the same. This one cannot be 9 now. So this is a 1-4. Makes no combos though, which is kind of what I was hoping for. What about... Okay, those are both over here already. The 6 cannot be here because it is consecutive. Oh, the 6 cannot be here either because it is cannot be orthogonal. So the 6 is here, making this a 4 and this a 6, making that a 2 and a 1, making this a 4 and a 1 and a 2, and a 6 over here with the 4, and this is now the 2 and the 4 and the 4 here. This can still be a 2 or 8, I believe. I have our 1 placed now there. We have our 1 placed here. And our 2 as well. Nice. And our 4. And our 6. Quite a lot out of that run. 6 there. 6 here. 2 in one of these. 1 in one of these. What else? Oh. Seven, 9. Alright. So maybe we think about where 3s can go now. Right, yeah. So 3 must go here. Can't go here because it's it would be next to a 6. So that puts the 3 there. It's either not by 2, 4, or 6. 3 and another cage down here can only be right there, and that will place 3 there and there. Cool. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 7, 9. That's all that's left in this column. Be the same here. I don't know if I needed to mark that. Kind of an extravagant pencil mark. So then I proceed to mark every single cage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will also be with a 5 or 7. Whichever one is not over in the left corner. Hmm. Overlooking some Sudoku, maybe? Maybe. A 5. Two, an 8. 8 is here. Oh, we don't have a... Can an 8 go here? An 8 does have to appear somewhere in those three. Oh, what about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? It's just 5, 7, 9 again. Oh, we have made a triple though. Now. So this is our 8. This is not. I do think... No, I don't think that yet. This will be a 5, 7, 9 though. This could be an 8, but this could still be an 8 in one of those instead. 8 could still go here, but it cannot go here. So this will be 5, 7, 8, 9. This will be 5, 7, 8, 9. Like such. I guess these would too. I might as well. Why not? We'll probably end up with some 5, 7 combos going on. Or something. Maybe even some 5, 7, 9s. So we have 1s. Oh, what about 3s being next to a number it should not be next to? I don't really see any of those possibilities yet. Actually, we have most of the 2s, 4s, and 6s, don't we? Do we have them all? 2s, not quite. We need a couple here, a couple here. Neither of them will be anywhere near a 3, so that is okay, I think. 4s, we have all of, and 6. We're missing 1 here, which that is okay. It's diagonal, and over here. Ah, that one cannot be a 6. This one is. Now, this one is. This is now a 2. Which means... Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. So the 8 does go over here. So the 8 goes here. That is our 1, 2. This is our 1. This is going to be another 5, 7, 9. This will be a 5, 7, 9 as well. The 8 also goes in one of these 2. Both seem fine for now. The 8 does go up here though. So the 8 goes over here somewhere. Oh, it must go here. In that case, oh, and I knew that because the 8 is on the first 2 columns. here, so there must be one here, because none could go there, right? So a new one had to go in this column. This 8C's over there, so it had to go there. These will be 5, 7, 9. Getting a lot of those. Might resort to color, who knows? The white is too bright anyway. I can't hardly see half the time when I'm done with these things. Or before, but that's besides the point. 5, 7, 9. We should be getting close now. The 8. Why is this not resolving? 3s. I'm missing a 7, 9 maybe. This will have a. This will be a 5, 7, 9. And an 8. Did I miss one of the naughty 3s? 5, 7, 9, 8. Or did I miss an X or something? I don't think so. So then yeah, we'll just map them around then, won't we? Where's a good one? Oh, where is a... Is this my only one of those? 5, 7, 9s. This is literally the only one. Okay, well that's kind of good, I think. And what does that mean? The 9 goes in one of these. Well, let's say if the 9 went there. Let's just see where it would end up if we can gather that. Oh, I don't even know if we can. Well, if it did go here, yeah, we could. Because it would go in one of those two, and it's already in one of these two on the bottom, so it would have to go there. Ah, but then it could go in either one of these. So maybe we'll be kind of locked there for the moment. Okay, well, fine. What else? Where else do we go? There's gotta be a way to figure this out. Looking for one that has no choice. Like this one, it will have to be up here. And it'll be in one of these. Then it'll be either one of those. Do I have one that can't be a 5? I have some that can't be a 9. Oh, maybe that will help me. Let's do a green. Oh wait, that ain't gonna help at all, is it? So I won't know which one is which here. If this was 7, this would be 7. One of these. So this one. One of these. One of these. One of these. That one. One of these. Okay. That seems alright. 9 was somewhere along like this. There was that one. Wow. I am not sure. Alright. Alright, just overlooking something. Where is there's one that has to go in a specific location. Oh, this one. Maybe that one. Because it sees both these two, so I know it's this. And it sees both these two, so I know it's this. Alright, so I know green is not, I know this green one is not 9. Wherever it maps around to, it's not 9. Is that all I'm gonna get at the moment, though? Well, but that is not 9. That is not 9. And hopefully we made a combo. I don't think so, so we go farther. Now we know it can be done. It'll be one of those. Is there another one like that? This one? Yeah. Let's do pink. We'll do pink. But this one could be the actual 9. Or else it is that one. But it is on the bottom though, so it is this one. And it is on the top in one of those. It's on the top in one of these. It could still be on the top up here if it's not the 9. Oh, it's also one of these. Okay. And this will be the other one. Oh, this one is green now. Which means this one is green. And green, though, green we know is not 9. So I can take, can't forget to take 9 out of there. Green we know is not 9. There we go, now we're going. Well, and now we know that pink is none. Because it can't be the one that green is not. There we are. So none will be up here, none will be right there. None will be there. 9 will be there. And there. And then the other one will be there. So this is 8, and this is 8 to get us started. And then pink is now 9, and so green is 5, because this was going to be 7. And now all the rest are 7. And that should do it. As soon as I get all these filled in. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Play yourself in the link below. Like and subscribe. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.